Mr. Speaker, when that finance minister took office, the small business tax rate was already at 9%. He raised it back up to 10.5%, and now he expects us to congratulate him for reversing his own tax increase. But he's got another tax increase to come. He's going to bring in new rules on families that share the work and the income of their businesses. Tax court judges say it will lead to battles in courts. And how much time is he leaving them to prepare? Less than 3 weeks. While he's on a sunny island somewhere, small businesses will be scrambling over Christmas. Why?
Honourable Minister of Finance.
Mr. Speaker, I do think it's important to start with the facts. When we came into office, the federal tax rate on small businesses was 11%, came down to 10.5%. We're now reducing it down to 10%. So it will be lower for every small business in this country. What we're going to do tomorrow is make clear for those 3% of small businesses that are passing revenue to their family members, clear rules so they actually won't have to work with the Canada Revenue Agency. That will help them. For those number of businesses that are passing revenue to family members not in the business, that will cease in order to make our tax system more fair.
Member for Carleton.
Mr. Speaker, reality, this minister, when he first took office, took the gifts from under the small business Christmas tree. He raised the tax rate from 9%, which it was set to be at, right up to 10.5%. Now he expects us to give him a cookie because he's putting those same gifts back under the tree that he took away in the first place. Mr. Speaker, this minister has tried to raise taxes on diabetics, on people with autism, on small businesses, and now GST on his very own carbon tax. When will he stop taking so much money from the people who pay the bills in this country?
Honourable Minister of Finance.
Mr. Speaker, our government is proud to talk about the reductions in taxes we've made across this country for 9 million Canadians as our first act of government. We lowered taxes on middle-class Canadians. 9 out of 10 families saw a significant change, $540, and of course $330 for an individual. Now, what's going to happen on January 1st, 2018 is every single small business in this country will get a reduction in their tax rate from 10.5% to 10%. That, Mr. Speaker, is important. The following January, it will go down again from 10% to 9%. These are efforts to make sure our tax system